I have been unwell since 2 days ago, but I want to reply you because now I'm getting better. Yes, I'm getting better. So, if you want to claim the whole Nigeria, Yoruba, Fulani, Hausa, fine, it's okay. They are Bini. Monokwe for my own people, I be Igbo. And Igbo people, they different from these people mentioned on Kita. When you speak your language, I don't understand it. And when I speak my language, you cannot understand. Anya bro fundi. Before you were saying that no Igbo people non a River State, na anyị ncha bụ Bini. Now it has gone from being the Igbos in River State to the whole Nigeria because of the Nestle Ogbo isi onye Bini n'ime ebe a. If you want, draw the king of Bini inside the international passport. I am telling you, it does not change who I am and my originality. Where I am from, my culture and tradition, I cannot be Bini. I don't practice your culture. I don't know anything about Bini. Even your name, I don't know. I cannot even explain it. So we're the whole Nigeria, but you cannot Igbo. Now we get them. Now we be Igbo. Do you understand? So I want to make it clear to you. Pack Nigeria, even if Bini Queen, Bini King, full and forever, even for the note, it does not make me a Bini man. And I will never be a Bini man. Igbo man I am. And my people are Igbo. Get that into your T-score. All right. Thank you so much. And stop calling me, referring to my people as Bini. It will never be possible.